Are you ready for your haircut? And then your nice froth bath? Yes. Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how I give a dog a frothing bath. It's a different type of way that you would bathe the dog using the frothing method. Let me know if you've used the frothing method or if you even know what it is. So I'm going to show you what that is, and I'm going to wash this dog using the frothing method, right? So first I'm going to clip her hair. She's getting her hair cut. She's getting a short haircut, so I'm just going to clip some off, and then I'm going to show you how I bathe her using the frothing method. Alright, so what you'll need is a frother like this one. This one's a battery operated one. It was the cheapest one I can find. There are other ones that you can plug in. You need to froth up your shampoo. So this is the one I'm going to be using in this video. Then you'll need a container, and I use this measuring cup. That way I can pour it. It has a pouring spout on there as well, and it's a measuring cup. I can measure how much water will go in here as well. You can use whatever you like, but this is what I'm going to use today in this video. I'm going to be using this Ultimate Pet Shampoo by Groomers and to make my froth. Alright, so one of the benefits of frothing is that you'll use less product and less water. So if you want to upgrade your shampoo, you can do that and do the frothing method because it'll save you shampoo and water. Alright, so I'm going to put my shampoo in here, and what I normally do with this is I squirt in about 5 or 6 squirts, full squirts into this bottle, and then I put water in it, I mix it up, and I wash the dog. With the frothing method, you can save on shampoo and also water. So I think I'm just going to use 2 pumps and see how it goes, because the whole purpose of frothing is to save on product and water. So there's 2 squirts of concentrate. This is concentrated shampoo. It's not mixed with water. That'll defeat the purpose. Always use concentrated shampoo, and then I'm going to add some water. So I just want to tell you a little bit about frothing and why it's done. Obviously, one of the reasons is to save on shampoo and to save water, because generally if you wet the dog all over, there's a lot of water you waste, and then you shampoo. And also when you fill up your shampoo bottle with shampoo, you use more shampoo and you fill it up with water, you spray it on the dog, and that's, you're using like maybe 3 times as much shampoo for one dog. And what it does is you're going to make like a froth, like a meringue, you know, those meringue pies. It's going to look like that. It's going to be frothy. It grabs the dirt more, and it cleans. It cleans really good. I've done it a few times already, and I wanted to share with you so you can learn and try it yourself, because the dog's coat comes out just beautiful. I love it so much. And you know what? It feels great. It feels like a spa time for the dogs, because it's really nice and soft and like slippery and all that. You'll see when I'm going to wash the dog. Instead of all that water running down the drain, it's just going to go on the dog. Now I'm going to make the froth, and the reason why I have a measuring cup is because look at the handle. It has a handle you can hold it with, but this is perfect. I love it. And also I can see how much water I'm going to put in, because you see I'm going to put a cup of water in, which is up to there, 2 cups. That way you can figure out how much water you're actually going to use and how much more you got to add, because if you got to add water or add a little bit more shampoo, you just got to figure it out per dog, because each dog is different. You want to make it for each dog. You never want to store it. It'll just grow bacteria, fungus, and you know, it's all gross, right? Never store your mixed shampoo. So always use warm water because it's going on the dog. You don't want to put cold froth on a dog. So I'm going to try it with a cup of water, which goes right up to that line there. Let me just put it flat first. Alright, so I'm just going to wash that small dog. So I put a cup of water, warm water. Now you just get your frother, and this is battery operated. Alright, so I wanted to show you what it looks like from the top. How's it froth? Now this might take a minute, it might take longer. You just do it as long as you want for what you want, like the frothier the better, right? And you want to make sure it's all mixed up. So this is battery operated. I just hold it with my thumb, push it down. I mean, if you're going to be frothing a lot, you might want to get the one that plugs in. I think I'm gonna get that actually and try, because sometimes, you know, us groomers get sore thumbs and you gotta hold it for like over a minute. So I might fast forward it so you don't sit here and watch it for a minute, but I'm gonna try a minute. It might take longer, so let's see what happens. Alright, so it's been a minute and 15 seconds. I think I'm just going to go to 2 minutes. It's looking good. I want it really, really frothy. So if you pull it up to the top, you can see all those bubbles, right? So I put a cup of water in and you can see obviously it's like almost up to 2 cups or more. Looks like icing. Whoops. Kind of spilled that a little bit. I think it's kind of ready to go. Alright, let's see what it looks like. You see? I don't want to tip the cup too much, it'll spill all over my table, but look, you should be able to go like that and be on your finger. Like a froth. Like a lemon meringue pie. The meringue part. And you know what? If you just grab this, it's so beautiful. It just feels so nice. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Anyway, you gotta give this a try, even if it's just a one time, or do it for yourself. Look at that. It's very nice. So I'm gonna watch the dog now and let's see how he turns out. I'm so excited. Alrighty, so I got my froth ready. The longer you make it sit, it does separate. You gotta really stir it up really good, or froth it up, but it feels really nice. Oh, nice. Very nice. Wow, it goes on so smooth. And I didn't wet the dog first. You just put it on. And you can get a bottle that has a wider mouth. I tried to put it in this bottle, but the mouth is too small. The froth just, you know, falls out everywhere. Oh yeah. Actually, I really, really love the way it feels. This is kind of like a spa bath. Oh, well, I don't want to get in your mouth. Here, let me just wipe that off. There we go. I know you keep licking your lips, right? With your legs. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, I really, really honestly love the way it just goes on, and you know, just right away it just works. Feels good. Now I gotta reach the other side, just my camera's in the way, so anyway, this is what it looks like, and I love it. Now probably dogs with long hair, you would need to make, you know, more froth, obviously. Just make it to, you know, according to the size of the dog. You need a little bit more shampoo. So the whole purpose of doing this is to save on shampoo and water, but also it's like a luxury bath. So I might have to make more. Come here, sweetie. And then at the end, when you're all finished drying the dog to, you know, do the clipping, you'll see the difference in the coat. I find it makes the coat really nice. It just feels like it gives it a really, really good cleaning, like with hardly any effort. What a good girl. Ooh, what a good girl. Oh. It's almost like a cream. Yes, it's just nice. I'm actually going to do this for myself. Give myself a frothing bath, or at least my hair anyway. like it. Gotta do your face. Come here. I know that's the worst part, right? That's the worst part. I know, sweetie. Let me just get that away from your eye. Just use my, there we go. Yeah, so that was actually enough froth for one little dog. All right, so I'm gonna just rinse her and dry her, and then I'll show you what she looks like at the end and what I thought about it. Come here. So she's only pre-clipped right now. All right, I finished trimming the dog and the hair actually feels super clean. I really like the frothing method, and you know, you only have to do the bathing once. Well, she wasn't that dirty anyways. You might have to do it twice, but I find the frothing method gets them really clean, and the coat feels fantastic. It's so soft, and it dried fast too, probably because the coat was much, you know, cleaner. But yeah, give it a try. Let me know if you're gonna give it a try, or if you've done it already and what you think. And you know, it just takes a few extra minutes to get the frothing ready, but it's worth it. You can add it to your spa package, and you can also get a better quality shampoo, right? Because you know, now that it doesn't use frothing doesn't use so much shampoo, you can get a better quality shampoo, and that's what it's all about, is to save money on shampoo. So now you can get a better quality shampoo, right, and give a nice luxury bath. All right, well, there you go. Hope you enjoy and hope you learned something, and we'll see you in the next video. Do you want to say bye-bye? I have it around her leg, in case you're wondering, just because she has a, you know, collapse in trachea, so it's best to put it around the leg instead of the neck. So I'm just gonna finish her up, and her mommy's gonna come soon. All right, thank you for the kiss. Thank you so much. Yes. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.